The emergency key makes the perfect tool for removing the door handle cap. Porsche actually designed it for that purpose. Slide the locking tab, red arrow, on the back of your key fob to the side and slide the emergency key out. This image shows the emergency key out from the fob. There's an opening under the cap. Just slide the key up into the opening and it will unlock the cap, red arrow. Here's an image with the cap off. You do not need to angle or pry at all on the cap. Simply push the key in and wiggle the cap off. On the driver's side, there is a lock. There is no lock on the passenger side, so you can skip the lock removal steps if you are removing the passenger side. Open the door and use a trim removal tool and remove the protective plug. There are two T20 torque screws on the driver's side. One protrudes out from the frame. Use a T20 torque and remove this screw, red arrow. You will not have this on the passenger side. This is a special screw. Do not lose it. Use a T20 torque and loosen the recessed screw. It will not come out completely. Just loosen it until it stops. Then use the torque and push in on the screw, red arrow. You will now be able to pull the lock out from the door. Slide the handle towards the rear of the door, red arrow, until you can pivot out the end of the handle, blue arrow. Rotate the handle 90 degrees until you can slide the forward part out. Depending on how your Cayenne is optioned, you may have an electrical connection here. Just separate it if you do. Now is a good time to replace the gaskets. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.